Hi, hello viewers. Hope you are enjoying the day. Today, let's start with the session ERP. Let's learn about what is ERP, ERP advantages, and how ERP is evolved, and what are the different vendors that are providing ERP software in today's world. ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning. Most of the people who are watching this will be known about enterprise resource planning is nothing but ERP. Enterprise resource planning is a high and sophisticated software solution that reduces workload and pressure of managers who runs an organization or a business. ERP automates the tasks that are involved in performing various business processes, and it also provides real time information which is very accurate, and accordingly the business stakeholders can take appropriate decisions to empower their business. ERP also supports business to optimize and track various business functions across modules and across countries. So this ERP business process majorly have six fundamental modules, which are financial, human resource, manufacturing, supply chain, customer relationship management, and data maintenance. So these are very fundamental modules, such that without these modules, no organization can be run. And the the ERP system, which is a software where the system need to be built according to the real time business. So business will have a definite rules designed by the organizations or stakeholders. Okay, accordingly managers will design the ERP system tallying with the business rules of their organization. So this process is known as implementation of ERP. This implementation of ERP has become one of the largest consultancy business, which has diverse growth today. Managers, the work of the managers will be translating the business rules into the requirements and map accordingly into the ERP software. Let's know about how ERP evolved decades by decades. Earlier in 1960s to 70s, it is not ERP, it is MRP, which is Manufacture Resource Planning. At that time, primarily the basic functions that are required to run an organization. That means inventory and production, and helped to reconcile balances and basic delivery functions. So these are all at the stage, very first stage of MRP. Later in the decade 1980 to 19, the MRP has been updated to MRP2, and this is like more sophisticated solution with added um, modules or added supporting functionality, and also the raw material procurement functionality is added to the earlier MRP. Later in the decade 1990 to 2000, here comes the ERP, which is Enterprise Resource Planning, we are calling today, including various departments like accounting, finance, sales, and also other business processes. Later in the 2000 to 2010 decade, the ERP has been updated to, we can say, the second version of ERP, which is ERP2, focusing mainly on front to back integration of a business, like CRM, which is customer relationship management, supply chain management, and human resource management. Okay, let's see what are the benefits of ERP. ERP is a single source of database and it is integrated with all business processes. A user can easily access the customer information or the vendor information and get a faster response even between them. Faster mode of communication happens between the vendor to user and also the customer to user. It also improved the delivery time and order accuracy. The smart workflows can also be implemented in the ERP system and gain the efficiency of a organization. As already discussed, the data is common data that should be present in across modules, like integrating different modules. So the if the data is present in the ERP software, it is accessible by multiple servers, which we can say as multiple modules or multiple business processes. In this way, data is distributed across multiple servers. How ERP can be extended? So, as discussed, the basic fundamental modules of ERP would be financial, manufacturing, purchasing. Purchasing is nothing but supply chain management, okay? Customer relationship management, human resource management, which is HR department, okay? And services and inventory. Once we have purchasing and production, definitely there should be a inventory and basic financial. Without finance, no organization can be run. These are extensionable modules to the ERP. What makes ERP different? As discussed, many modules can be integrated and it has common set of definitions and it is a common database to various integrated modules. So here if one module is updated, data is updated in one module or a business process is updated in one module, it automatically updates in the other modules. Uh, ERP system reflect a specific way of doing business, and also the starting point to end point we can reflect that in the ERP system. These are different ERP vendors that are available today, are well known ERP vendors. Some of them are SAP, Oracle, NetSuite, Microsoft, Intact, CAD, Batchmaster, most of this. And not only this, we have many other different ERP software vendors as well, like JD Edward and all. So based upon organizations requirements and its purchasing ability of the ERP software and based upon their usage and which ERP software can provide best solutions to their business, based upon various factors, organization decide to purchase which ERP software and design that ERP software according to their business rules, implement that ERP software, and then they proceed to run their business, to empower their business in today's world. So, the people who are knowing the business rules and they're mapping into that ERP software should be the best required people in today's world, because business stakeholders mostly they do not have the knowledge of to implement the ERP softwares. It's the consultancy people who implement or design the ERP system according to the organization, and then they also provide training to the business people, so that once after the implementation is completed, the business can take the ownership and go through the ERP software by doing a business. But all initial setup, configuration, and all will be done by the consultancy people. So the consultancy people has a huge demand in today. That's the reason many of the people going various trainings for this ERP software. Either it can be SAP, it can be Oracle, or it can be Microsoft. Training into each software. So for SAP, some people or has knowledge on it. Some people has knowledge on Microsoft. Some people knowledge has knowledge on Oracle. So in this way, there are many softwares, right? So as per the demand, there is also huge availability of the resources. So people need to update themselves with update as software updates. People also need to update themselves to the new versions. Then they can be coordinating with the ERP software, and then they will be able to provide better solution to the business. Hope you got some information through this video. If you do have any queries, any questions, post in the comment box. I'll be replying as soon as possible. Thank you.